Hi guys, today I have TCL 305i and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your install stuck on padding on this device. When you have the same problem as mine, your install stuck on padding on this device, we must cancel it and go back to the main menu of our smartphone, where we look for settings function. In it, we scroll down to the last function system and date and time. Now we must switch on first function automatic date and time, and after that all would work. We go back to the Google Play Store and try install again our application, and it would work, and it is working right now. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.